Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. In this episode, I'm going to share with you how to make delicious dumpling fillings with Napa cabbage. With this filling, just grab some dumpling wraps from the stores, then you can make tasty dumplings at home. May not be a bad idea to try in this upcoming holiday season. To start, we're going to peel 8 Napa cabbage leaves. For those who have watched my kimchi video, you may recall I suggested keeping the outer layers of the cabbage leaves while we were reserving the more tender core parts for the kimchi. Technically, for the dumpling filling, it does not matter much which layer of leaves to use. The outer layer is better in this case just because it's less juicy. We're going to need about 1 pound of ground turkey or ground pork, mince some ginger roots, about 2 teaspoons, chop some scallion, about 2 tablespoons, salt, 2 teaspoons, dark soy sauce, for color and taste 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of 5 spices. Next is the soul of this recipe, the salted shrimp, which I found in the local Korean store, 1 tablespoon. If you don't have this, dried shrimp works too. The fermented shrimp lifted the taste of the Napa cabbage and make the fillings very tasty. Mix towards one direction. Then add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Finally, add about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil to lock the juice inside. Set aside. Wash the cabbage leaves thoroughly, then I'm removing the green parts from most of the leaves, as this part is very thin and soft. After being chopped, it's barely visible. Meanwhile, they are perfect for soup, so I would rather save them for other purposes. Next, remove the root part. Shred and chop. No need to chop too many times. Once the little piece is about the size of a pea, spray some salt to drive the liquid out of the cabbage. Then use your hands to squeeze the cabbage and remove the liquid. This step is necessary, otherwise the fillings could be very soggy, which makes it hard to wrap the dumplings. Next, we're going to chop some mushrooms. I'm using the white mushrooms. Any mushrooms will do. We're gonna follow the same process as we just did for the cabbage. Chop and squeeze. Add the cabbage and mushrooms to the ground meat, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Mix towards one direction. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Mix well. There you go. Last tip, wrap your dumplings right away. If you wait, the fillings may turn soggy again. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please do like and share the recipe to support my channel. If you're new, please also remember to subscribe for more exciting and easy to follow authentic Chinese recipes. Thanks and see you around.